Hello friends, welcome today. I would like to introduce India's first EV Community Engagement Center, which is built in Jaisingpur, district Kolhapur. We are currently located in Jaisingpur. It's on the state highway, Sangli, Kolhapur, the highest traffic state highway. And it's located at a very strategic location wherein we have a D-Mart in which most of the crowds from all the 52 small places visit. And as we go ahead and go towards the EV center, there is an biggest artifact showroom right from Pune to Hubli. This is one of the biggest artifact showrooms. Just right next to it, we have our India's first EV Community Engagement Center. As you can see, this is the entrance part of the EV center, wherein we have an entry. Also, there is a fantastic garden which is located here, wherein we have a sitting facility and where people who come for charging can have a small sitting environment which is there. This is just getting developed. As it develops, it will look more and more beautiful. This is the entrance. The first section which I would like to introduce here is of the two-wheeler charging section. We have built a space for around 15 vehicles which can be charged at a time. Currently, we are placed in 2 chargers, which is an automated process of charging, wherein there is an app. You can fill your wallet with the money, and based on the consumption, you have been charged for the charging. So this facility is there. As there will be a new further development where we have a canopy, and this place we are planning for even the hubs, basically the hyperchargers of different brands. So we have been talking to various brands wherein we can place in their hyperchargers and electric current will be provided to them. Then the second section, what we would like to introduce is that the 4-wheeler chargers which will be placed. We have planned for 2 4-wheeler chargers which will be placed here, wherein at a time 4 vehicles can be charged. Then we have a display advertisement concept for all the 2-wheelers and the 4-wheeler brands. The bigger display size is also available. Currently you can see Teco Electra display which has been already there in place. As we move around, this EV center has been planned for battery swapping technology also, wherein we will provide the space for battery swapping technology, and this is the exit which is there. So we have an entrance and exit with 20 feet space in which people can So as we were discussing, we have a 20 feet road facility for in and out space, 20 and 25 feet. There is a beautiful garden. As we have been discussing, we have a charging facility, battery swapping facility. We are also providing rental services. This is rental services of 2-wheelers which we can rent people on an hourly basis or on even a weekly basis also. So this is another new model which is there. And moving ahead, we have created a studio which is an experience engagement center basically, which is a multi-brand studio wherein you can go to see. This is having a 24/7 display. We have facilities even to put in emblems on the holdings which are there, facility which on the ACP facility which is there. As we move in, this 24/7 with a more of a retro look impact, this studio has been built wherein people can experience the vehicles. They can choose from different brands which are there, and currently you can see there are Teco electric vehicles which are there, wherein we have a facility, beautiful flooring. Then we have great amount of lighting which is being provided with a fantastic ventilation facility. This whole premises is fully secured with 16 CCTV cameras and motion sensors also. For 24/7 facility, we have kept motion sensors also, and we have 24/7 surveillance camera systems which are there. which have been put, which covers each and every inch of the premises. Then we have a delivery section also for customers who are going for a delivery and create their happy moments while purchasing the vehicles. We are also providing facilities like in chargings, that supposing person is visiting on his birthday, so we greet him with his birthday as we have most of the details of him. Then we have a multi-plan architecture also, wherein the first charges are at a regular price and then the further charges are at a subsidized price. Even monthly plans are there for charging, in which a person can choose a monthly plan and keep on coming as many number of times he wants to come for charge. So these type of new facilities are being provided at Malu EV World, which is India's first EV community engagement center. We have created a great ambience. We have facilities in terms of displaying the vehicles on a best note. We also are providing the CC coffee facility here, best drinking water facility. So all these are being add-on features which are required to give the best ambience while the customer is selecting or making choice of his second best investment after home. So I feel that he should be given that royal treatment so that he can get, when he is doing the selection, it becomes an easy mode and process for him. Now I'd just like to show one of the vehicles which is there. This is Eco Electric Emerge, wherein it's an unregistered vehicle which in a 15 rupee charge you can go up to 100 kilometers. The max speed of this vehicle is 55, which is in the third mode, which comes up. It can carry up to 150 to 200 kgs of weight, and with tubeless tires and removable battery, and it's a lithium-ion battery with a 3 years warranty, and the motor warranty is for 1.5 years and the charger warranty is for 1 year. As you go to see, the service stations are very nearby for them, is Kolhapur and Sangli. We also are planning for a small service station, a cafeteria, and an add-on space, which will be the second phase of investment of the Malu EV World. And as you go to see the experience, what we have from the roadside view, which is a beautiful view right from the garden to the highway. I hope you have liked the concept of actual EV engagement center, because we are not talking about charging of two-wheelers, three-wheelers, four-wheelers. Then we have a rental facility, we have space for battery swapping. We are coming up with a facility for a testing kind of a small service lab kind of thing for all the vehicles which are coming up here. We are asking multiple brands to put in their hyperchargers, so the facility of charging for multiple brands is created over here. And also this display and engagement experience center, which will help them to choose from different vehicles and choose according to their expectation. Some people are looking for a longer range, some people are looking for a particular price bracket, some people are looking for a brand consciousness, or some people who really are looking for a high-end vehicle. All these can be made available here. And taking in consideration the experience for customer is right from the amenities and facilities what we are providing, which will give them the best experience. So I feel so this is the first phase of Malu EV World. There is another second phase which is under the development process. We'll surely come up with the next video once we start the development, once we finish the development of the second phase of Malu EV World. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.